Almost everyone on the studio team has a development background, so we're all very familiar with the love-hate relationship you build up with the tools you use. And that's why we started building Studio, because we wanted it to be as easy as possible to ship Android apps. But of course I'm saying this because I'm on the team. So instead of listening to me, we asked a bunch of Android developers why they choose to use Studio.
The reason our team at Strava uses Android Studio is because it's built for Android. The new emulator feels like using a phone, but it's on your computer. For a long time, what we were doing is we were deploying to our phone in our hand and looking up at the screen, looking down. It's even faster to just look next to your IDE and see it on your screen. Getting the latest from Google is kind of like sitting outside of their office and asking for an update, but a little easier.
I'm a member of the Android team in Netflix, and we are using the Android Studio as best way to develop Netflix app on Android. You don't really think about code checks until you need them, right? So, for example, you're trying to look up the string and you pass integer value to it. That's the example when the Android Studio code check could actually find the potential problem that you will have.
Android Studio helps me remember where I came from and where I want to go. It keeps me in the flow so I can code faster. I use a lot of the little shortcuts like find usages or go to whatever classes extend the current class. The navigation that I use on it keeps a sort of replica of my trail of thoughts. All of these shortcuts help me fly through the code. And at Hipmunk, we love to fly.
All of the professional Android developers we talk to use Android Studio for their apps. And their feedback has been really important for us to know to focus on things like speed, smarts, and platform support. Our hope is that this lets them spend their time concentrating on building amazing experiences for their end users.
I don't understand why this video exists. It's like Android Studio is really good. It's like, what else are you gonna use?